Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Ramadhani. I'm from 3 Class 1 of Electrical Engineering, Associate Degree Telecommunication Engineering Study Program. In this video, I will present the story of telecommunication engineering. In this presentation, we will discuss several parts. And part 1, introduce myself. Part 2, presentation, history of telecommunication engineering and the basic element of telecommunication system. Part 3, analysis, history of telecommunication engineering and the basic element of telecommunication system. And part 4, consolation, history of telecommunication engineering and the basic element of telecommunication system. Definition: telecommunication development. Telecommunication is a technique of sending or delivering information from one place to another. Telecommunication is a field that has an important role in human life. With telecommunication, people exchange information with one another. Today, telecommunication technology continues to experience development. Technological development in the field of telecommunication are growing rapidly, starting from communication system to TV broadcasting. Some of their simple forms have been known to the people of the earth for a long time. Now they are back around us in extremely diverse and intelligent form. Starting from microwave technology that use signal transfer media through antenna, until SNG satellite news gathering, which use signal transfer media via satellite. There is another opinion saying that telecommunications are always to convey or disseminate news and information. Here, telecommunication is divided into two types, namely using cables such as landlines and without using cables such as communication satellite, television, radio, cellular telephone, VoIP, web-based communication with internet media. Definition of telecommunication engineering department charging from its name. The Department of Telecommunication Engineering is a major that focus on telecommunication science. The term telecommunication itself comes from two words, tele meaning far and communication, which means delivering information. Telecommunication engineering major will study all aspects of how we communicate over long distance, from signal, data transmission, computer network, radio, radar technology, and all the theory behind it. Initially, the telecommunication engineering department was a branch of electrical engineering, namely the field of big current. Due to the rapid development of telecommunication technology, the knowledge learned is also increasing and become a separate department. There are some things to consider before entering the telecommunication engineering major. The Department of Telecommunication Engineering is a branch of big current electroscience, so the subject of electrical physics is quite widely discussed. The title for undergraduate majoring in telecommunication engineering is ST. Students in this program are given the opportunity to study and expand their skill in analysis and problem solving in the field of telecommunication engineering. They are also ready and able to design and implementation of new technology in order to meet the need of today's society. Telecommunication engineering study program in study program that study engineering in telecommunication sector. Form of long-distance communication can be divided into three. One-way communication simple. In one-way communication, the sender and receiver of information cannot establish continued communication through the same medium. Two-way communication double. In two-way communication, the sender and receiver of information can establish continued communication through the same medium. Semi-two-way. How to double. Semi-two-way communication. Sender and receiver of information communicate telephonically but still continue. Basic element of telecommunication system. 1. Transmitter. Transmitter is an electronic device used in telecommunication to generate radio wave to transmit or transmit data through or using an antenna. 2. Transmission medium. Many transmission media are used as communication channel. Copper wire to carry signal over long distance use a relative low amount of power. 3. Receiver radio that receives and converts the signal back into the required information. 4. Wired communication use underground communication cable, less often overhead lines. 5. Wireless. The communication system can be wired or wireless and the medium used for communication can be grid or ungrid. Basic component. Information is data and received such as sound, image, file, and writing. Transmitter medium divides the function to transmit from the sender to the receiver. Sender convert information into an electrical signal that is ready to be sent. Receiver receives electrical signal and convert them into information that can be understood by humans as they are sent. Constellation. The Telecommunication Engineering Study Program is an interdisciplinary program which requires a combination of knowledge covering the field of electrical engineering, computer science, management, economics, and policy, in addition to the basic science of science and mathematics and the basic of engineering science engineering.